Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to hide the firewall and network protection area in Windows 10 or 11. So firstly click on Start and here type Edit Group Policy. Now open Edit Group Policy. Now here guys, expand administrative templates underneath computer configuration. Now expand Windows components and here you have to find out Windows Defender. Now scroll down and guys double click on Windows Security. Here guys you will see Firewall and Network Protection. Double click on it and double click on Hide the Firewall and Network Protection area. Now here select Not Configured, and if you highly want to hide this Windows Defender, so select Enabled. Then click on Apply, then click on OK. So select this Not Configured or Enabled option, then apply, then OK. Now close it and restart. So like this guys, you can hide the firewall and network protection area in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching guys. Please comment this method work for you or not.